Hi everyone, Joe Gentile from Sarraf Gentile LLP. So today I want to talk about kind of the guts of a mandamus complaint and one aspect of it. So if you look at a mandamus complaint, at least one that's following best practices and is properly drafted, you'll notice that the lawsuit sues under two laws. One is the mandamus law, the writ of mandamus, and the second is the Administrative Procedures Act, the APA. So if you're looking at an unreasonable delay when you're filing a mandamus lawsuit, what you're looking for is to have a court essentially force the government to decide your petition on a timely basis and not simply let it drag out. The APA count and the writ of mandamus accomplish the same thing. They're both there to try to have a court force the government to adjudicate your immigration petition. And the way we end up winning on either count or both of them is pretty much the same. So they overlap in the method that you win on them and the result that you get. So the question is they look redundant. So why do you include both? Well, the reason you include both is twofold. So first, there's no real harm or additional cost in including both. So there's no downside to doing it. And there is an upside. So the upside is that under a writ of mandamus, some courts have said that you can't win on a writ of mandamus if you have another legal remedy besides a writ of mandamus that is available to you and you didn't use it. And further, some courts have found that the Administrative Procedures Act is a different remedy, is a remedy available that's not a writ of mandamus. So there's been cases where people have sued only under a writ of mandamus and their cases were dismissed because they didn't include the APA. So it's kind of a nonsense technical gotcha. And a lot of courts probably wouldn't even enforce that, but why take a risk? So to avoid that risk, you simply include both. So that's the reason why you'll see counts for the Administrative Procedures Act in mandamus lawsuits as well, at least if they're being done well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if you enjoy this content, I encourage you to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.